Hello everyone, it's July 3rd, 2019. I'm on top of the rooftop deck at the YMCA in downtown Minneapolis, waiting for the sirens to go off as it is the first Wednesday. So in about 4 minutes they'll be going off in 4 minutes. So just enjoy the view in the meantime. I'm not sure they can see down there, but there's people in the skyway. They're either returning from lunch or going to lunch on their work day. And of course that skyway down there is closed because of construction in this building right here, which is, as we know, was the old Macy's. Before that it was Marshall's, and then many of the older generation grew up with the name Dayton's. There's the new Siren line that just opened, that rapid transit bus. Here comes another Siren line bus. There's the Nicollet Mall. There's the Target down there on 9th Street at Nicollet. We tried to get up to the Fauché Tower today, but their elevator was down, so we couldn't get up there. So we'll have to try next month. Let's see, 1 minute to go, unless they go off earlier or something. I was in Wisconsin on Monday, in the Eau Claire area. They went off like 10 minutes late for their siren test. Anytime now. not as loud as I was expecting it to be. There's Marquette Avenue, and there's one on top of there's a siren on top of the traffic lane the next block over. Maybe it's 2 blocks. I can't tell which street that is. It's either 6th or 7th Street. Alright, that's it. Until next month, unless we get a severe weather warning or something. Okay. The bus stop is right there, so that's 7th, that's 8th, the next block is 9th, so, yep. Yeah, the next block, it's on 6th and Marquette, the Siren, so this one's 7th, okay. I couldn't remember which one it's. Alright. That's it till next month. Have a fun and safe 4th of July, everyone. And I'll try to catch the next one next month.